Hi, I'm Tania. As a business owner today, you understand the importance of utilizing technology to automate and streamline your operations and stay ahead of the competition. But with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to know which solutions are best suited to your business needs. That's where Diadem Business Technologies comes in. Diadem offers a full range of state-of-the-art business and payment technology solutions, including touch POS systems, credit card processing, inventory management solutions, loyalty cards and programs, and cloud POS. Diadem helps you take the limits off of your business. You can have digital signage, video surveillance, any kind of ATM machine, e-commerce and online ordering, in-store pickup, along with web design and internet marketing, plus much more. Your business growth is here and it's now. Diadem Business Technologies have everything you need to take your business to the next level. We can even upgrade your existing systems to ensure that you're always ahead of the curve, or we can even implement new technologies to give your business the edge it needs to be ahead of the game. Don't let outdated technology hold you back. Don't wait any longer. As a privately owned company since 1997, we have a wealth of experience in the industry and can offer affordable solutions without compromising on quality. Whether you're a small, single-store owner or a large, multi-location business, we have the solutions to meet your needs. We pride ourselves on our honesty and integrity, and we are dedicated to your success. Our team of experts is committed to delivering exceptional customer service and ensuring that your business is equipped with the tools it needs to thrive. Upgrade to Diadem Business Technologies today and experience increased efficiency and profitability. Don't wait another day to take your business to the next level. Contact us now to learn more about how we can help you succeed. Diadem Business Technologies, achieve more.